kendo lutombulu e yor kwe.
Of security personnel at the various polling stations and the county tallying centers. Requisite resources have also been mobilized to ensure timely and efficient deployment of security personnel to all polling stations. Nyanza Regional Security Team has initiated engagement with the key institutions, IBC, ODPP, and judiciary to ensure smooth elections. Therefore, let me assure the public that there is adequate security to handle any emerging incident during elections.
Jalarkom Governor e County ma Migori kod otiko mar ODM ochila yako kwa oganda duto e County ma Migori mondo biyo odhi owuog oko kendo go ombulu atamalo 100 ne Raila Odinga kod jokanyo mag ODM e yiero maduong' mar juma manyien. Ochilo mane wuoyo alap ma posta kama ne obedo kod campaign mare ne owacho ni oganda luo osemanyo telo mar Comted piny kuom higni mathoth kendo sani makoro Odinga chiegni kod lochni ber ka oganda luo bedo kamoro achiel. Bende ne okoni oganda jo Migori ni oket kwe mbele ma otelo ne yiero maduong' ma higani. Jalarkom Governor e County no Mano Ochila Yako bende omedo ni koyiere Governor to biro kelo lokruok e County no ero.
Ng'ama biro chung'e 30 years later biro bedo noseyudo charter mar the city of Migori County. That city of Migori County nyaka chak gere ka mawayier area madhi bedo industrial area. That city of Migori nyaka wachake chakre tarik 10 mawadhi wayier kuma dhi bedo high class suburb area ma joge wadhi dake. That city of Migori County ka nyaka wachak loso bypass mabiro tieko jamni.
To wabiro kwa uko bolore. Ni kata ko ni moro ntika moro. To jodalawa wago chongwa piny ni une bosses magwa. Yie undikwa tich to abo yie watinu kaka misumba maru. Edi.
Kawadhi nyime eni doho manakuru nong'ado mondo jatend kweth mar confirm omedine etesend obila. Obila nokwayo doho med gi thuolo mar dino ne Dickson Macharia ma en jahigni 35. Dickson nomaki bo manakuru kaluwore kod apedha ma obila osebedo katimo ne kwethno moserocho arita kwe e boma manakuru kod aluorane.
Free. Now, I have then now accordingly been persuaded by the state that there are good reasons for continued detention of the suspect herein to enable the state complete investigations. The state has sought 30 days, but my view is that the 30 days is such a long time, considering the fact that the investigator has zeroed in on the issues they want to do their investigations on. I will allow them 15 days. The suspect will be detained at the Central Police Station during the said period, and then now that he has an advocate on record, the advocate be accorded an opportunity, or rather the suspect be allowed to engage his advocate for purposes of these investigations.
Oya, twende. Oya, twendeni. Twendeni bana.
Ni wakati wa sisi wa mama.
Ni wakati wa kupunguza bei ya stima.
Oya buda, twende.
Buda, twende tukashukishe bei ya mafuta.
Twendeni bana. Oya bajama. Twende. Oya bajama, twendeni.
Bei ya chakula kimepanda, na ndio maana sisi sote tunaenda kuishukisha.
Boss, siogope. Mko wengi eh?
Maji kwa kila boma.
Bei ya unga ishuke.
6,000 mfukoni.
To make all this happen, get out and vote. Vote Azimio Blue. Vote Baba and Martha. Get out to vote. Vote Blue.
Jai Lieta Kani Nairobi. Ma Ramogi TV.
Introducing a new way to earn cash every time you buy airtime. Simply dial *487*2#. Buy airtime, pay for electricity or water bills for you or someone else, and get paid papo hapo. Usinunue airtime na tokens bure bure tu. Earn instantly with *487*2#. Dial *487*2# now.
Secret Technical and Vocational Training College for the Blind and Deaf en kar tiegruok moyiedhi kendo matiego jogo modak gi ng'ol kaachiel gi atamalo 30 mar jogo maonge ng'ol. Wachiwo tiegruok ne jopuonjre mag Afrika ma Ugwe gi madiere kendo walonye tiego jok man kod ng'ol mopogore opogore kaka ng'ol mar neno, winjo, joma winjo mos e kind mamoko. Ka idwaro yudo tiegruok, or kwayo ne kepo mar dwe mar 9 kata September 2022 kod January 2023 intake ne courses mag TVET mopogore opogore. Wachiwo tiegruok e rang'iny mar diploma, certificate and artisan mar Shiatu Japanese massage, Kenya Sign Language kod duoko ng'ato yo makare kata rehabilitation. Secret Technical and Vocational Training College for the Blind and Deaf, skills for life.
I've always been a Rihanna super fan kwanza kitambo tukiuliza watu mabeshe zangu high school. I don't think I'm Kenya's Rihanna, but kuna some resemblance at some point. Hairstyles flani nikieka nini na ka Rihanna. So I just embraced it. I mean, kuna time flani whether nimekuwa tao CBD and there's this girl alikuwa anashinda akishout Rihanna, Rihanna.
To watch this story and more, download the Citizen Digital app today.
Kenya's #1 app, Citizen Digital.
Vote Azimio, vote Baba na Martha and see our country conquer all the challenges we are facing. With Baba na Martha, inawezekana.
Anyasaye wonte kowa ye ikele gweth kuomwa ratiro bedno kumba kendo jarit mondo ahere ng'ato gi ng'ato wabed gi kwe kod loch wamor gi mwandu mathoth e alworawa.
Dial *811*273# to get Kenya National Anthem.
Nairobi! Historia ya siasa za taifa la Kenya haziwezi kukamilika bila ya kutajwa kwa jina la kiongozi huyu jasiri, mzalendo, mwadilifu na mwaminifu, Raila Amolo Odinga.
People of Kenya have said that they want to see change.
Ni wakati wa mwamko mpya, wakati wa Kenya kuwafikia azimio la kuwa na pesa mfukoni, wakati wa kupata baba care, kupata kazi kwa wote, uchumi kwa kina mama, kupata elimu ya bure hadi chuo kikuu, na ni wakati wa kufukuza njaa kwa kuimarisha uzalishaji chakula, upatikanaji wa maji na ajira kwa vijana.
We are going not only to assemble but also to manufacture primary products here. We are going to manufacture electronic products here.
Haya yote yanawezekana naye Raila Amolo Odinga, kiongozi mwenye azma, msimamo wa kuunganisha Kenya pamoja. Kwa hakika inawezekana.
Kik iti kod sabunde mateko gi ng'eny kiluokori.
Mache